Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Karim, and today I'm going to be telling you about the greatness of the Ummah of Islam. We are the Ummah of Islam, and we are supposed to be the best of the best. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you heard me right. We are supposed to be the best. And what do I mean by that? I mean, we're supposed to live the example. We're supposed to be the goodness. We are supposed to be the example that the rest of humanity should follow. Here's what we're talking about. You see, the Ummah of Islam, we're supposed to be learned, right? We're supposed to learn the Quran. It is a gift from our Maker. We're supposed to learn it. And we're supposed to be the example of goodness. What do I mean by the example of goodness? Well, in the community, Muslims are supposed to give zakah. We are supposed to be the example of charitable behavior in terms of nature of our attitude, the attitude in our heart. We are supposed to be the example of people who abstain from sin. We know the sins, we know the consequences, and we know that things like zina, you know what, the worst sins you can commit, we should abstain from that like it is a plague. You know, things like gambling and alcoholism and drunkenness, you know, these might have small benefits here in the dunya, but the point is although they may have a tiny benefit, right, the sin from those, the sin from gambling, zina, from alcoholism, from these things, from associating with others, with our Maker, you know, our abdul, these things are so grave sins. And we are supposed to be the examples of goodness. We are supposed to abstain from sin. Now, I know sometimes it's hard. And brothers and sisters, this is why I'm calling you to goodness. Watch my videos and come with me to goodness. Come and be the examples of goodness, not just in the community, but to the world. I'm calling you, here on out, I'm calling you out. Make videos of your own. Make vlogs. Make vlogs. I don't know what a vlog is, but make one anyway. You know, just make like online blogs, make online stuff, make a statement to the world, say I'm Muslim, I am the example of goodness here in the dunya. And just maybe it will earn your place in the akhirah. But that's not the reason for it. No, I'm not trying to tell you to do this for some selfish personal gain idea, although there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong in doing goodness, the pleasure of your Maker, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm telling you to adopt a mindset of goodness. Adopt a mindset of just being generally good. Why? For the sake of being good. Then you will find that the best people on the dunya are the people who are naturally good. If you make a habit out of it, inshallah, you'll become the goodness. You'll become the goodness we will seek. Now, am I saying I'm good? Hell to the no. I have bad traits. I get flaws all the time. Like, I'm probably trying to... This is why I make my videos. Why it forces me to be good. You know, if I see something on the video, after that point, I know in my mind, I've said it to the world, I have to live by that example. That's just the way I am. This is why I make these videos, ladies and gentlemen. It's actually a little bit selfish, but why I make these videos is I know that if I say something, right, if I say I can't involve in gambling, then I can't involve in gambling. Why? Because I've said it to the world. And I have to live by my example. So I'm calling you the Ummah of Islam. Live by your example. If you're going to say something, act to that thing. Now come with me to goodness, and remember, hit subscribe below and give me a like if you really think I'm awesome.